The stricken town of Agadir, shattered by the most terrible earthquake ever known in Morocco. When catastrophe came, the violence of the upheaval did its ghastly work in a few seconds. As the earth opened up, the whole town rocked and shook with a terrifying intensity. It's estimated that almost 80% of the buildings in Agadir were wrecked in these few moments of disaster. Shops, hotels, homes, split and collapsed into piles of ruin. This was the scene of tragedy. And for the onlooker now, it's almost impossible to imagine the horror that overwhelmed the population. The Moroccans, the French, the tourists, many still lie beneath the ruins. The luxurious Sada Hotel, close to the seafront, was totally destroyed. Many lives were lost here, but there were also a few miraculous escapes. Servicemen have been playing a leading part in the work of rescue. Theirs is an appalling and heart-rending task. A cry for help is heard. But how often is it impossible to work down through the ruins to save one more life? The toll is very great. When the first figure of about 1,000 dead was given, the world was profoundly shocked. Then reports spoke of 5, even 6,000. The grim facts cannot yet be established. Disaster on such a scale demands help from all quarters, and the organization of help has indeed been worldwide, including that of the Royal Navy and the British Red Cross. The Moroccan section of Agadir suffered even more complete devastation than the newer part of the town. The scene here is pitiful indeed. Somehow, survivors must be evacuated and eventually rehoused. These people who lost everything at one fearful, shuddering stroke, while Agadir slept.